Well, we're back again, guys. Tristan Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping. So today we're going to be taking you into a vast renovation project, and having the walkway that she has currently, she literally, those stones, you step on them and they try and flip you into the drainage ditch or throw you into the pond. So we're not only going to be doing a major overhaul and full renovation on the pond itself, we're actually going to be doing a series of flagstone walkways, stairs to interact up into the common areas, and really make this backyard to where it is a safe place to walk around for people of all ages. So stay tuned with us on this journey. Like, comment, subscribe, follow along. We're getting at it. So now you've seen it, guys. We went from unwalkable walkway, horrible stairs, giant gaps, stones flipping over all over the place, water shooting out of pipes straight into the pond, leaky scenarios, cloudy water, no filtration. It goes on and on to what you guys have seen in this video. So we've got 40 feet of flagstone walkway, hand set in there, hand chipped, carved, making a nice curvaceous shape. We've got some giant flagstone stepping stones, stairs getting us up and out into the common area. A bit of rain on this project, but all in all, this has turned out so amazing. We love everything that happened out here. The pond itself is one of the most elaborate 500-gallon ponds that we have ever built, with all the proper filtration to keep this thing looking beautiful year-round with the routine maintenance. But the size of stones in this thing, my back cannot express it enough. Those things were absolutely massive for some hand-set rocks. We've got stones all the way up to about 900 pounds-ish, somewhere in there. But sometimes that's what it takes to really make the difference and set the artistic aspect apart, especially in a dramatic transformation like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching us renovate this entire backyard. Decimated at first, kind of like a little atomic bomb went off, and then bring it all back together at the end. I know she's stoked, we're stoked, have a good one. So I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, because more comments coming out soon.